don't ask me why I'm cleaning my fridge at 10:30 at night. Yeah, we're gonna clean the fridge. Instead of going to bed. What happens when we clean the fridge? We find things at the bottom of the fridge. Check out this treasure. Exhibit number 1. An unidentified cake. I don't fancy cake. A tube of unfinished crème de marron. It's the good stuff. Sweetened chestnut puree. This is the thing I'm going for, right? It's not French, but I did buy it in Biofrais. A bit like Holland and Barrett. This is a wheaty chorizo snacker. How do you get in? I haven't got any scissors. Have you got any scissors? Anyone got? Right. Oh, a bit of that out. It's made from seitan, so it's wheat meat. It's really good. It's really chewy. It's quite spicy. I found that in France. Chorizo snacker. Bonus to clean the fridge out at 10:30 at night.